How to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. Hey everybody, welcome back to the official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can do so. Without any further ado, let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that you are using latest version of Instagram. If not, head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar type in Instagram. And if you see update sign here, update your app. And make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Then tap on plus icon at the bottom of the page. Here make sure that you are on Reels icon instead of post, story or live. Select any videos that you would like to post. And once you add the videos, tap on to edit video on your bottom left. At this section, trim all the unnecessary clips of the video. Once done, tap on to arrow icon on your top right. Then tap on to share. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful contents like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.